Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back today with another video and your girl is looking a little bit rough right now. I know, because we're actually going to be doing my hair instead of my face this time. So what we're going to be doing is trying to transform my hair that is usually always red. I've been, a redhead per se for the last 2 or 3 years or so, but it's really hard for anybody that has hair that is dyed red. You know firsthand that it is probably one of the most difficult colors to keep up with. I've heard it a million times that red is the first color to go and the last color to leave. It is so hard to get it out of your hair once you want to transition out of having red hair, which I'm never planning on doing. But it's also very difficult to keep your hair that red, vibrant color without having to go to the hair salon every 2 weeks to get it refreshed. And it gets pricey. I mean, not everybody can afford to go to the hair salon every 2 weeks to have your hair re-dyed. And so right now my hair is kind of up in a gross little bun, but if we take this out and kind of take a look at it, and excuse my hair when it comes down, but if you kind of look in here, you'll see that my hair is kind of just like a brassy, brownish, weird color right now, and you can kind of see underneath that there is a little bit of red in there. But my hair has not been dyed red or anything like that in months, so that is why we are at this brassy, gross color here. So put my hair back up. So basically what I'm going to do is test out this new brand. Well, it's not new, but it is a brand that I found really heavily on Instagram, things like that, and it is the brand Overtone, and it is a company that has different shampoos, conditioners, things like that, and it actually has different colors that help keep up with your colorful hair lifestyle. And I thought that I really wanted to get my hands on this, check it out, see how well it worked, things like that. And just a little bit of background on Overtone. I'm looking them up on my phone here. So everybody asks on here, one of the questions asked me saying, okay, be real, is this dye or hair conditioner? And it says Overtone is not a dye, it is a color depositing conditioner. While you can add color to your hair with Overtone, our conditioners are not formulated to be a one-time application. They are designed to gradually replace the color you lose every time you wash your hair, so your color is perfect every single day, whether you were in a salon 4 days ago or 4 months ago. So, sounds pretty promising, sounds pretty good. I ended up getting the deep treatment just because I've got really dry hair. They do have the shampoos and they have the regular conditioners. With my texture kind of hair, I only wash my hair like once a week, once every week and a half. So I thought it'd be better for me to just do the deep treatment because these tell you to use it about once a week. Which is how often I wash my hair, so I didn't think having like all the shampoos and extra conditioners and stuff like that were necessarily worth it. But what you get here is a jar. It is about 8 ounces of product. Right, looking these up, it looks like they do retail for $28, and they come in different shade ranges. So I mean, any color that you can think of that you would want is on Overtone's website. So mine is red, obviously, but you can do orange, you can do purple, silver, pink, yellow, green, and then they've even got some pretty cool like specialty formula ones where they have like rose gold or wine, things like that. So they've got some pretty cool colors on there, and they've got amazing 5-star ratings. People swear by it. I think it's the best thing in the world. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to test this guy out, see how it works on my hair, see if it turns, my brassy kind of orangey hair color into something that's vibrant and red. And then along with the colors, they also have different levels. So I got the extreme red. It looks like they have pastel colors, which if you want to kind of go for that pastel look, you can do. They also have vibrant, which is a more vibrant color. And then the extreme is for that like crazy, bright, color that you see, kind of like that punk rock hair, as I like to call it. And I know that I read on here, so if your hair is dark like mine, you are gonna have to bleach your hair in order for this to work. You cannot put these over dark hair and expect for your hair to come out a vibrant red color. So yes, the ends of my hair, I do kind of have an ombre thing going on where my hair is bleached, so that's why I'm able to use this stuff. Otherwise I wouldn't waste the time using it on my hair, and it's not gonna come out as vibrant as somebody that's probably blonde is using this. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this out on my dark hair, see how it goes, take you through my whole hair routine. I'm actually gonna blow dry and straighten my hair just so that we can kind of see what it looks like, things like that. So if you excuse me, I'm gonna go and wash this hair, and then I will be back because since it is a deep treatment conditioner, it is supposed to be used on clean washed hair. So I'm gonna go ahead, wash my hair, and then I will be right back so that we can deposit this color into my hair. Alright, so we're back. We've got our freshly washed hair. So we're gonna go ahead and take this Overtone product and we're gonna go ahead and put it in my hair, following the directions, and we're gonna see how this comes out. So first things first, since I'm assuming that it is, you know, probably very much pigmented since it is a color depositing conditioner, I am gonna use gloves for this, and I do have an old t-shirt on. So again, still looking a little bit frumpy. Just gonna go ahead and put these bad boys on. Alright, so per the instructions on here, it says use Overtone Deep Treatment to keep your strands bright or add color to uncolored hair. Using disposable gloves, which we have on. Apply treatment generously to wet or dry hair. Wait 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse clean. So we're gonna go ahead and open this guy up. When you open it, Jesus Christ, look at that. That is some red stuff. And it does have like a mentholy peppermint smell to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my hands, section out this hair. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take this and just start putting it all up in the hair. Oh, it's like blood. So it has been applied generously to the hair and my face and my gloves. So definitely use gloves when you're putting the stuff in your hair because it seems to be very, very, oh my god, like very, very potent. So go ahead and put some along the edges here. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes and this has been sitting in my hair doing its thing. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this out of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry and straighten my hair off camera. Otherwise we would be here for the next 2 hours and I don't want to bore y'all with that process. So when I come back, my hair will be in its finished state and we'll go ahead and see how it works out. And I'll be back. Alright guys, and I am back. The hair is finally done and it is definitely red. I know it's a little bit difficult to see on camera sometimes, but you can see little peaks of it like right in there, and it is very much a very vibrant red. And if I actually went outside, which it's dark now so I can't really take you guys outside, it is very vibrant. When the sun hits it, oh my god, it is red, 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 red. So this stuff, it definitely lives up to its promise of giving you some extreme color. I don't know if I can put this up and just kind of show you kind of underneath in there and show you how much of it is like that red color, but she's in there. It is red, guys. Yes. And I also have like blood splatter on my wrist. It's gonna be there for like ever from the hair dye. I look like I just like committed a murder. So don't get it on your face and don't get it on your hands because it won't come off. I think, you know, besides the fact that it turns your hair red, this is probably one of the best like deep conditioners I've ever used on my hair. My hair has never felt more smooth and just detangled, and like it had so much slip to it when it was wet, and it was just like my hair feels so silky. I love it. But anyway guys, like I definitely give this 2 thumbs up. I will definitely be using this stuff going forward just to maintain my red in between appointments, things like that. I did not use that much of this stuff, so a little bit does go a long way. You know, 28 bucks sometimes can be a little bit steep for something about this size, but I think you could probably get quite a few handful of uses out of this, and it will definitely help with between appointments and things like that. But otherwise guys, that is it. I'm definitely loving this. I am gonna go ahead and jump on out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and film another video just because I'm gonna be gone this week for work. I will be in Las Vegas for work. I know my job's so hard, but definitely excited about it. But I do need to pre-film a bunch of stuff for you guys so that I don't leave you hanging just because, you know, just because I'm out of town doesn't mean that my content stops coming. So anyway, guys, thank you for following along. I thought this product was extremely awesome. If you have colorful hair, like, for sure, pick this up. This stuff is amazing, and I'd love to hear, you know, other people and see how it's worked on other people. Especially like people that have like bleached hair or blonde hair, things like that. Really love to see the before and afters on that. I think that would be like really cool and a much more drastic change than kind of what you're seeing here. But anyway, guys, thank you for following along. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss out on any of the cool content that I have coming up. I do have some full face of, you know, cheaper makeup products, things like that coming up, things that I want you to miss out on. And this is definitely a channel where I like to, you know, have fun, take risks, and do a bunch of stuff like that. But anyway, thank you for following along, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.